The recent announcement has sparked a wave of reactions from dedicated customers and industry experts alike, highlighting the emotional bond many share with the brand. This development poses significant implications for the future of truck aficionados. Ram has long stood as a foundational pillar of Stellantis, recognized for its durability and performance, which has earned the confidence of both professional and everyday drivers. However, this legacy now faces uncertainty following the recent closure announcement. The evolution of Ram from a sub-brand of Dodge to a leading force in the truck market illustrates its notable influence on American automotive culture. Nevertheless, the brand's decline reflects more profound issues within Stellantis. Stellantis was formed from the merger of Fiat Chrysler and PSA Group, with aspirations to be a global automotive powerhouse. However, since its inception, the company has grappled with financial and operational challenges that have impeded its effectiveness. The shift towards electric vehicles has proven to be a significant obstacle for Stellantis, especially as competitors have adopted aggressive strategies. As a consequence, the company has lost ground in market share and investor confidence. Compounding these challenges is internal instability, characterized by high levels of management turnover. This lack of cohesive leadership has disrupted projects and stunted innovation in an increasingly fast-paced market. The automotive landscape continues to evolve, with rising competitive pressures compelling brands to innovate swiftly or risk losing market share. This dynamic is prominently observed within the lucrative truck segment. Stellantis's sluggish response to the electric vehicle transition has left Ram vulnerable, hampering its ability to compete with forward-thinking brands like Ford and Chevrolet that have embraced these essential changes. The closure of Ram signifies more than just a loss for Stellantis. It raises critical questions regarding the company's overarching strategy and its capacity to manage legacy brands effectively in a shifting market. While the merger between Fiat Chrysler and PSA Group aimed to bolster competitiveness, it ultimately fell short in prioritizing electric vehicle innovation. This oversight has resulted in Stellantis lagging behind its competitors, posing serious implications for market positioning. The closure of Ram has triggered significant economic consequences for communities reliant on the brand, with job losses and decreased local revenues generating widespread instability. This situation underscores the human cost associated with corporate decisions. In the aftermath of Ram's exit, heightened competition in the automotive market has spurred both established brands and newcomers to innovate vigorously in electric vehicle technology, fundamentally reshaping consumer expectations towards sustainability. The merger of Fiat Chrysler and PSA Group intended to create a robust automotive powerhouse, yet it resulted in substantial debt and operational inefficiencies. This financial burden impedes Stellantis's ability to invest in cutting-edge innovation. Stellantis also contends with rising production costs and global supply chain disruptions. These factors inflate expenses and delay manufacturing, further complicating the company's responsiveness to market demands. In response to financial challenges, Stellantis has made difficult decisions, including the discontinuation of profitable brands like Ram. This strategic shift aims to stabilize finances and redirect resources toward promising electric vehicle initiatives. Ram's turmoil reveals the financial constraints and lack of coordination that undermined its competitive edge in the electric vehicle arena. This has led to missed opportunities as competitors surged ahead. The transition to electrification is reshaping the automotive industry, urging traditional manufacturers to prioritize electric vehicle development and align with sustainability objectives. This trend emphasizes the necessity for agility in decision-making. The closure of Ram not only impacts Stellantis, but also extends its effects to the communities dependent on its operations, accentuating the intricate relationship between the automotive sector and the broader economic implications of corporate strategies. For legacy brands, prioritizing research and development is crucial to investing in emerging technologies and maintaining agility in strategic planning for sustainable success. During periods of change and market fluctuations, clear communication and proactive engagement with stakeholders become vital to preserve trust and loyalty. Finally, sustainability and corporate responsibility must sit at the core of business strategies, aligning operations and product development with evolving consumer expectations and regulatory standards.